Hello, Miss Leah and friend. My name is Sabrio. I'm from class 8A. My number absent is 27. Today, I will tell you the story of Arnold and the Purple Crayon. Arnold, a young boy who lived in a book made by old man. Arnold has a purple crayon that can create everything he imagined. He made two friends, Porcupine and Moose. After Arnold grew up, Old Man suddenly disappeared. They questioning about where was Old Man. So they actually came up with an idea to come to the real world, aka the Earth, where Old Man lives. When they first arrived at the Earth, they were amazed about a lot of things that was never imagined by Arnold. They began to search for Old Man. Actually, they bumped into Mel and Mel's mom. They asked for a place to sleep, but Mel's mom just gave them one day or one night at the garage. After they sleep, Arnold was actually walk with Miles and Moose to the school where Miles goes. After hearing the Arnold story, Miles actually want to help Arnold to search for Old Man. So they took the day off and go to the library while Miles took them. They found Gary Natwick, a frustrated librarian who needs his story to be heard. After Arnold asks to Gary offers to help. Gary searched for Old Man in the Google, which didn't come up with anything because there was a lot of old men in the world. But then Gary found out a book. The book called Arnold and the Purple Crayon. And there was a name in the book. The name that made Arnold and his friend. Gary ran to Arnold and told the name and the address of Old Man. After they arrived to the Old Man house, and then Arnold knock. It's not Old Man, it's an old lady who answered. Arnold said to the old lady, "Do you know where Old Man is?" The old lady said that the old man has already passed away a few weeks ago. And then Arnold became so desperate, so sad, he lost his interest in the world. Everything he drew became disappeared. His friends, his draw, everything disappeared. Gary, finding out these opportunities, was provoking Arnold, even kidnapping him. He brought Arnold to his office in the library and said to Arnold, "Gary wants to take Arnold crayon. Because Arnold has no other things to live for, Arnold actually gives the crayon to Gary. And then Gary chained Arnold in his office and left. Miles, knowing Arnold in trouble, Miles actually want to help Arnold but was caught red-handed by Gary, and Gary chained Miles too. But that's not the end, because actually Miles has the other half of the crayon. So Miles actually create a key to help Arnold and himself free from the chain. After they're being free, Miles gave the other half of the crayon to Arnold so they can fight Gary and Arnold. The big fight made Gary creating an armor for him to wear and the Gagarer lance. Meanwhile, Arnold was creating not some cool weapon but more effective weapon to fight Gary, which eventually Arnold wins. But Harnot chose to forgive Gary and made Gary his own world. After that, Harnot and the others came to the Old Man house again, which now became a museum, to know how Harnot was made. And at the end, Harnot finds out that the Old Man itself leaves some letters for Harnot itself to read. It's a good ending. Thank you.